So the academics are really well run. There's small group ratios, which works really well, and all the kids are paired at the same level. So there's no extra stressors. Everybody's kind of working together.
I'm Glenn Herbert, and I'm an editor with Our Kids. We're speaking with insiders from Canada's leading private schools to gain insights into their programs, culture, traditions, and leadership. This includes insights from parents, alumni, and administrators. This is the Our Kids Insider Perspective.
So we were referred to a psychologist that works fairly closely with types, Dr. Sherman, and we had an assessment with him. And after meeting with Logan and going through all of the difficulties that we had in our regular school environment, it was his advice that he would do really well at Edelweiss. So we got in contact with the co-founders, one of them being Jennifer Wyatt, and we had an intake, which was fairly smooth. And Logan integrated halfway through grade 1 when he entered Edelweiss. Yeah, so before Logan left the Catholic school board, he had a lot of behaviors, which we typically didn't see in kindergarten. And then when he entered grade 1, it was more structured, and he needed more attention that the school was able to give. So when we switched him over to Edelweiss, he transitioned fairly well. The behaviors decreased within a week or two. He was able to meet friends a lot easier, and the support system is just outstanding. He really enjoys cooking. So that was one of the things that he really likes to do that not any other elementary school offers. The swimming, I really like that the kids get to swim every Friday. It gives them an opportunity to do something other than being outside or in the gym. And once again, these are not opportunities that come around a lot in the regular school system. And it creates a schedule and kind of a reinforcement for the children to look forward to at the end of the week. The one thing that we don't have is like a parent council. And so that's something that we're working on gathering together this year. That's really the only thing that I think is missing. And it would just give an opportunity for all the parents to kind of give feedback throughout the school year, so that Edelweiss has a chance to try and implement anything that's missing, because they do fairly well at everything. So I think that would just be one thing that I would like to see happen. At the beginning, it was the low ratios. Like, it was really hard for me to believe as a parent coming from a classroom of 30 kids that we could find such a small ratio classroom, with kids that kind of all meshed well together. But to my surprise, it was actually exactly what was addressed during our intake meeting, which was great. That's something that we still really like about Edelweiss. Definitely respect and loyalty. They're really loyal to every family that walks in that door. They'll go above and beyond to support not only the children, but the families. So yeah, it feels like they're a part of our family at the end of the day. So the academics are really well run. There's small group ratios, which works really well, and all the kids are paired at the same level. So there's no extra stressors. Everybody's kind of working together. And the academics are very smooth. Like, there's no surprises. It's the same routine every day, same timing for the kids. And they can move at their own pace, which also gives them an opportunity to help other learners that may be struggling on something that they didn't, or vice versa. So it gives them a chance to show a lot of leadership, which we didn't get in the regular school board. Logan actually struggled and felt really stressed, and now he loves it. That he's a leader. So this school has built his confidence up a lot. So prior to entering Edelweiss, he had very low self-esteem. Now he's very geared to go to school. There's no fighting to leave the door. It's actually quite opposite, tears when there's P days and things have to close unexpectedly. So I'd say that. I think we're all looking for the same thing. So just support for our kiddos, allowing them to experience what every child deserves to experience through education. The feeling of being wanted and being able to express themselves and be listened to. I think that's what we're all looking for, and that's what we're all getting. One being that it is small ratioed and that there is a ton of support. Just because it's a private school, they still have access to a lot. OTs can come into the school, speech. So I'd say that's number one. Number two, the flexibility. There's a lot of flexibility. So whether your child is working at a grade 1 level or a grade 3 level in certain subjects, it allows them to work at their own pace, but also stay within the group on subjects that they excel in. And the third, I think it's just the family-oriented community that all of us as parents look for when we drop our kids off in the morning and when we pick them up at the end of the day. So I would definitely say those are my top three. I wish that somebody would have told me about the school sooner. To be honest, a lot of parents don't know about Edelweiss. And I really encourage them to look into this school. It's amazing and they do very well at what they do. Yeah, so I just wish that there might have been a bit more promotion so that parents like myself could have found this opportunity so much sooner.
For more information about this school, you can visit their profile at ourkids.net.